Yes, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question for Geography 2018. Question number 1. Now we're going to use this sketch to solve for question 1 and 2. So for number 1, if the total population of the city is 500,000, what is the population of Ward 4? You can see this is Ward 1. It has 108 degrees. This is Ward 2, 126 degrees. Ward 3, 72 degrees. Ward 4, 54 degrees. So having this distribution, what is the population of Ward 4? This is Ward 4 here. So take note, these are in degrees. This is 54 degrees, 108 degrees, 72 degrees, and 127 degrees. Now, for us to be able to solve this, we need to know that the summation of the degrees should be 360. So for Ward 1, we have 108. Ward 2, we have 126. Ward 3, we have 72. Ward 4, we have 54. So it's an important fact to know that the summation of the degrees is always 360. This is 8 plus 6. Should give us 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 4 will give us 20. So we put 0, carry 2, put the 2 here. I have 2 plus 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So we have 6, carry 1, put it here. It becomes 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So the summation of these degrees must always be equal to 360. Now, so if you want to get the population on any of them, you just take the degree of that, or the angle is subtended. So let's say we are told to calculate the population of Ward 4. Ward 4. So check Ward 4 here has how many degrees? 54 degrees. So pick out that the degrees of that ward I want to calculate, 54, all over the summation of the degrees, which is 360. Then we'll multiply the division by the total number of the population, which is 500,000. So anything we get is the answer. So we'll do this calculation. 54 over 360 times 500,000. So you can cancel these two zeros, then you can quickly do the calculation to get the right answer. So actually, when you do 54 times 50000, what you get is 2,700, and you divide it by 36, you get the right population, which is 75,000. So the right answer when you do this division is 75,000, and that is the answer to this. And you can see this is option A, 75,000. So take note of what we did. We just picked out the degree for the one we are told to calculate, which is Ward 4, divided by the summation of all the degrees, which is 360 times the total population. You get that of Ward 4. If you are told to calculate for Ward 2, the same thing, you would have been 126 over 360 times 500,000. If you are told to calculate for Ward 1, it would have been 108 over 360 times 100,000. So that's how you do calculation relating to pie charts. Thank you.